Yeah. Snow sideways. Making that yellow snow. Woo. Should've worn some damn gloves. Tell you what, I can't remember ever in the history of my lifetime that it snowed 2 weekends in a row in frickin' Georgia. That is pretty rare. Just started about an hour ago, give or take. It's coming down pretty lightly. It's supposed to continue for a while, and we might even get up to 5 inches or so, according to the forecast. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to check it out again later. Whew, I'm putting my hand back in my pocket. It's cold as hell.